All right, welcome back to a new week, Money Makers. This is called the Top Review. Brands want to know what you think, and You can get selected to be in a verified community below. You're going to complete a 30-second registration and start unlocking digital perks and rewards directly from home, open to all USA residents. So if you're not a USA resident, I'm so sorry, but I am working on trying to get something for international people as well too. I know a lot of people have complained about me just only posting a lot of USA. Sometimes I'll sprinkle a little bit of Europe in there, but it just all depends on what the opportunities are. But I got you guys covered. I'm going to try to get something for Europe and for platforms later in the week. So, as I was saying, this top preview, you can become an FC rewards platform. Basically, it's a premium digital experience community designed for the U.S. residents. Members share feedback through their market research studies and new mobile app exploration. So if you want that one, you can do that one. They have different tiers that you can register for. So you can do that one, and this is open to create a free screen account. Screen players, Screenplay Insider, so an exclusive market research panel focused directly on the entertainment and media. So basically, you can like test different movies or different TV shows before they come out and give them their opinion and get rewards for that. So you can create a free account for that, and then you can do a survey club. Obviously, I only for the iPhone users only. That's what they say right now, but they will be expanding to Android users as well too. So let's go ahead and take a look at each individual one so we can get some more information about each one. So you're going to start the registration. So basically, you're going to sign in here, and it's going to take you through a couple of things. It's going to have you do like sign up, put your username, password, and all of that good stuff, and then also the Screenplay Insiders is going to have you to create a free account. And you're going to create a free account, and it's going to take you through all of that good stuff. And then this one is the survey club. It's going to take you to claim your associate, and then basically you're going to create a free account as well too. You're going to put in your username and password and all of that good stuff. But other than that, you guys have a great and wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.